crappie nibbles. How do the crappie nibbles taste?
Says do not eat on fucking jar.
I think this tastes a lot better. Another latte. Maybe the beer flavor will get them to bite. You need some fish catching juice, Ben.
What's this?
It's fish catching juice.
This is gotta be documented. You proved me wrong, dude.
Fish catching juice.
There's no toxin.
It's fish catching juice.
Got some fish catching juice out here with Dr. Musty Hot.
Good stuff.
Got some fish catching juice out here with Dr. Musty Hot.
The Helgramite.
No, worm.
Oh, where's the nut?
Like a little bluegill or a bass.
I think it's a perch.
That's not a perch. This is a bass.
This is a smallie. At least we caught something.
Got my little ultralight.
A Mendota smallie. That is a hog.
Wow.
That is about 0.6 pounds, 0.5 pounds. Then you better Jimmy Houston that. Actually, you don't need Jimmy Houston that. It should be filming. Does it say 00?
Yep.
01?
It's counting. Yep, you're good.
Oh, we got a hog. We need to take a beer break. Sheep head. And of course it swallowed the hook. Holy crap, he's really good. Fuck. It's really hard to be hooked.
It's farting on you.
You might get the free hook. You might get a mouth here. You know, we got the hook out of it. Now I need to let it go. Is that really a
Yeah.
plastic? That must have been a dinky smallie.
That rod's doing something too.
I'm gonna have it. Too bad. We got the nicest fish of the day.
Put it on the measuring board here. Let's see what we got.
Oh, like 14. Nice bronze back. Oh, that's like, so it goes from 40 to, it's like 14 and a half.
Nice one.
Nice smallmouth. On the crayfish. What is that?
This
It's
is
a
also
big
my,
perch.
really ultralight rod here.
It's a big perch. We should grab my trout net to net this shit.
Oh, came off.
That's not how you do it. Throw her in the bucket. I'll clean it. I'm ready to have some fried fish for lunch. And Old Thompson and... Let's just be a rock or something there that's holding fish. Oh, I got one. This is probably a sheep's head by how it's fighting.
About time. Don't lose it, Hans.
It's not anything that's fucking legal.
It looks big. Holy. Take it easy on it.
Oh, it's a ditch, just a large mouth.
A largemouth. Yeah, big one too. Holy shit. Just. Oh my god. That is huge, dude.
That's a nice bass. What, a 17-inch largemouth?
Oh, that's bigger than that, isn't it?
You should take a picture of me with this.
Hang on. That's almost 20.
No, it's 17. It's not even a keeper. It's 17 and a
I'll
half.
take a picture. I'll send it to you.
Oh,
And that's the same for largemouth too, 18.
yeah. This is 17 and a half. This is like a 2.5 pounder. I knew that wasn't any.
Saturday, and me and Allison got wedding shit to plan on Sunday.
Oh. I think we're just gonna go send her at 200 feet in port. A Waldo.
Oh wow, that's an 18-incher.
No, it's not. It's a 14-incher.
Oh, that might be 18.
No, it's not.
No.
It's just the fucking thin. Holy shit, this is thin for a walleye this time of year too.
Probably just came out of the sun.
No, literally, a 14-inch walleye should not be looking like this time of year, or a 15-incher.
Yeah.
Should be a football.
Oh boy, I got something big here.
Largemouth.
Oh my god. It's off.
You suck.
I don't know what that was.
Whatever. Check out the fisherman.
Yeah.
I went the next morning. I went out there. Nice. That is nice. It was almost like well, I was a little late. It was almost like their own personal turf.
This one's got hemorrhagia.
Yeah.
You want this one?
Sure.
You can
Yes.
all that shit on it.
Yeah, I just went out there for a.
Asian carp. Yeah, elusive Asian carp out there.
You lose it. I heard they're paying $100 for every black carp you catch.
Black carp?
Black carp. Yeah, that's what I saw on Facebook.
I don't know if I.
You got one. You suck.
This is a perch. A big perch. No, maybe not. At the bass.
We don't even have a fray bill.
Get the net on. Oh, it's a huge fucking bluegill.
Holy shit. That is a slab.
Oh my god. This is like a 10-inch bluegill. Holy fuck. Wow. This is probably the biggest bluegill I've ever caught in my whole life.
And we're picked of a Helger mine.
We're gonna need a picture. We gotta measure this. Holy shit, is that
What is
big?
that, 10, 10 and a half?
That's like mounting size right there.
10 and a half?
10 and a half. That's mounting size, Hans. Isn't it?
Or close, yeah. It's a fucking slab.
How big of a bluegill would you mount? It's got some bad EHS though. You gotta take a picture.
For the gram.
I gotta get the EHS sign.
So this day we were fishing weed edges, I think like 8 to 15 feet of water with crawler chunks and parts of Helger mites on a split shot and hook. And we were just drifting along the weed edges and we caught a few walleyes, a few smallies, a few largemouth, a couple sheep's head, a bluegill, like 3 or 4 perch and like 6 rock bass. So we caught a wide variety of species and it was a fun time. Oh, and we caught a white bass. And it was pretty simple fishing. So this is a fun morning on Lake Mendota. I should get out in this lake more often.